Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today I have a new subscription for you. Eyescream Beauty now has a duochrome subscription. So this is $6.99 per month. You should get 2 to 3 duochrome products. There's no other information than that. I actually signed up for this in June and it was pre-ordering for July. I didn't get anything in July. I emailed them in the first couple of weeks and they said it'll ship after the 15th. I never got anything. I just got this one. Today's August 12th. Today's August 13th and I got it like 11th. So this came for the August bag because I got it on the 11th. I never got a July bag. So I emailed them. I haven't heard back yet. I just emailed yesterday. I was like, I need a refund for the July bag I never got. So fingers crossed that happens, but $6.99. So this is now the cheapest subscription that Eyescream Beauty has. And we got 3. Ooh, I can see the back sides. We got 3. And I don't think there's not a card included in here like you would normally get with the Eyescream Beauty bags to tell you what you have and the value. So I'm going to guess, just based on the packaging, that these are Eyescream Beauty brand duochrome products. So they come in a cute little mesh bag. And we have 3, and I'm going to swatch them for you. So the first one is a blue, and these are pigments that you can use for anything. You can use them for eyeshadow or a little bit of highlighter. Ooh, they do come sealed, which is nice. And it is a loose pigment powder. So I'm actually going to just use what's on the little rip-off thing rather than stick my finger in there. So this is a really pretty, actually I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit more. This looks like it's a gold blue shift. So this one is a really pretty gold blue shift. I don't know if that gold is coming through as much, but that reflecty part is the gold, and it's a really pretty blue. So yeah, I made a huge swatch there, but it's a really pretty blue. And you can see on my finger, there we go, there's that gold. So we have a gold blue for one of ours. Maybe I'll just do the finger swatch for some of these. This one is going to be a gold green, it looks like. I can get it open. Here we go. And another little peely off top. Ooh, this one's super pretty. Oops, I got too much. So there it is, just on my finger. You can see it's kind of a mermaid green, I'm going to call it. And it's really pretty. It is a blue, gold, green. That's almost like a multi-chrome more than just a duochrome. But that's definitely got some green, blue, gold. And again, you can see that really pretty. So far these are our 2 we have. Blue gold and green gold. Our last one, it's hard to tell. It kind of looks like a silvery gold shimmery thing. So let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, pretty. This is a lighter color green gold. So this goes really well, I think, with this one. It's a little different. It's not quite as dark, but it's the same kind of color family. You almost could use that one for a highlighter, like on your cheeks almost. Like just put a little, blend it in really good, but you could use it for a highlighter. But so these are our 3 colors that we got. $6.99 for this subscription. It is just duochrome pigment powders. There's not going to be anything else in this subscription. So if you are into duochrome and you like the shimmers and sparkles, check out the Eyescream Beauty duochrome subscription. I don't know if this is worth $7 a month to me. I'm hopefully going to get my second box or my second bag, but you guys tell me, is this one you want to keep seeing every month, or is a one shot enough to let you know whether you, I've got glitter all hanging in my hair. I just noticed, is this one that you want to see on a regular basis? Let me know in the comments. Your votes matter if we want to keep this one or not. And I've got to go wash my hands off. So thank you for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you did like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, hit notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye.